Nakabalik na ng Pilipinas ang mag-asawang Sara Geronimo, Mateo Guidicelli mula sa Honolulu, Hawaii. Miyerkules ng gabi dumating sa bansa ang mag-asawa. Sinamahan ni Mateo si Sara sa Honolulu show nito noong linggo, ang Sara Geronimo X Bamboo. Ilang araw rin ang mag-asawa sa Honolulu at dahil may lumabas na parang honeymooner sa Honolulu ang mag-asawa ay may mga fans sila na nag-wish na sana ay nakabuo ng baby sa Hawaii ang mag-asawa. Traveling is one of the favorite bonding moments of Mateo Guidicelli and Sara Geronimo. Mateo shared that he and Sara approach decision-making as a team. Sara has strong intuitive eye, while Mateo leans more towards analysis. This balance helps them weigh their options carefully before making a choice. There's a lot that goes into making decisions, but for me, it all starts with gathering as much information as possible, shared Mateo. The more you know, the more you can take control of your life. So that means research and talking to people I trust, especially Sara. For big decisions, I really take the time to reflect, pray, and listen to my intuitive eye, Sara said. I think it's also important to find a balance between listening to your own voice and listening to your loved ones. When you feel in your gut that you're making the right decision, then it's time to take that leap. Life is a game, and whichever way the dice may roll, the power of choice makes a difference. With their decision-making process, Sara and Mateo make sure that they make right choices to stay winning in life. One choice I've been very proud of lately is venturing into farming, Mateo muses. As an advocate of sustainability, I felt a strong pull towards having a farm of our own. It has been a learning curve because there's a lot to learn about sustainable practices. It's an investment in our future, and a choice that feels truly fulfilling. The Kapuso star frequently shares snippets of their trips on his Instagram with the hashtag #LifeWithTegs. Mateo has also recently posted mini travel vlogs on his Instagram titled, Travel with the GS. Excited na kasi ang fans ng mag-asawa na magka-baby na sila. Sa hitsura raw kasi nina Sara at Mateo ay siguradong magiging napakaganda ng kanilang mga anak.